I've heard young people say, if my dad spends on me, it's his duty. My mum spends on me, it's her duty. Okay, what do you mean it's their duty? It means they brought me into this world, they've got to feed me, I owe them nothing. I didn't ask them to bring me into this world. Subhanallah. They forget that it is Allah who brought him into this world. They forget that it is not up to us who's going to be born and who's not. Some of us, we can't even have children. And they forget that they're going to be questioned by Allah, and this is a test for them. Your parents are a test. And they forget that one day they're going to get married and they're going to have kids, inshallah, and their kids are going to do the same to them. And they forget that their misery and their sadness and their issues in life is because they're distant from their parents and they're very selfish. What do you mean it's your duty? So a parent, yes, it's their duty, but who's going to stop them if they don't spend on you? They listen to Allah. The fact that they are obeying Allah, the fact that they are doing it out of love, the fact that they acknowledge that you're their child, that requires a reciprocation. They also have rights on us. So please don't speak to your parents that way, because the circle will happen again to you.